Hello everyone, welcome to Hazel's Homemade. It is apple season and we have got a few apples from the garden, so I have made them into apple strudel. It is straightforward to make and a real treat to eat. This is an apple strudel with my own twist in the filling and spices. Most recipes use breadcrumbs in the filling, but I am using ground almond instead. It enhances both the flavor and the texture, making the filling moist and not soggy. Apart from the traditional cinnamon in the apple strudel, I have also added vanilla and a bit of clove to make the flavor more interesting. I have used chopped dates instead of sultanas because it is healthy and not too sweet. It also absorbs any additional moisture in the filling. To serve with the apple strudel, I use a ready-made vanilla sauce from Ikea. It is not too thick and not too sweet, which is perfect to eat with this very special dessert. Let's get started.